I just be playing Lego GTA. Wait, I'm so bored. I wish someone would just come in here and punch me straight in the face and send me across the room. God.
I have come back to take back the Lego GTA crown.
You want this crown? Yeah, I'm gonna have to pass on that offer.
I will battle you for it!
Wait, that's all you got?
Ow!
I earned this crown! Oh man, that hurt! I just be dodging! I just be punching! I just be punching! I just be dodging! I just be dodging! You can't even hit me! You can't hit me! I just be dodging! I'm the king!